Guys, I'm back. Another property for me to show you, except this time this house has got an extra special feature. Let's come and have a look. Come with me. Okay, so as we enter the property, we come into a hallway with a living room to the left. Let's come and take a look. Okay, so this is one of my favourite rooms of the house. Really nice feature fireplace as you come in. Very, very quiet road you overlook out on. It's just a really nice front room. Okay, so up to the first floor landing, we're now going to show you all 3 bedrooms and the main family bathroom. Let's come and take a look. Firstly, we walk into this really good sized double bedroom with a storage cupboard which houses a modern fitted boiler. If you take a look around, you can see the fantastic views to the rear. Here we have the second bedroom overlooking the front of the property, and again a really nice sized double bedroom. Okay, so this is actually the third bedroom of the property, and as you can see it's slightly bigger than your typical box room. It's a really nice room that you can either have as a study or as a bedroom. Lastly, we come to the family bathroom, which is fully tiled with an extractor fan and a heated towel rail. Stop. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's continue. Running across the full width of the property is this beautiful kitchen diner, fitted throughout, dining area to that side with views over the back garden. Okay, so firstly we come into this completely enclosed rear garden with plenty of storage sheds. There's actually an outside toilet here as well. We've got storage sheds located at the back of the garden. Take a look around. Right, do you remember right at the start I told you there was an extra feature with this property? Come and take a look. Let me tell you a little bit about what is going on in the rest of this garden. In 2019, planning permission was passed for a 2-bedroom detached bungalow. Now, as you can see, the build has already started. So what it needs is an investor to come in and finish the build. Okay, so for all investors that are probably wondering what has happened so far in terms of the background stuff with this bungalow, let me tell you, the NHBC certificate has already been paid for. The services to be connected have already been paid for. We have contact details for the original builder if you wanted to carry on with the NHBC and those services. If you're interested in this property, then please call us on 01708 909 100, or you can email us at info@key-stones.co.uk.